In today's video, I will put you through on how to upload pictures on OneDrive mobile, okay, for iPhone. Let's just get right into it. The first step is to tap on the OneDrive mobile app for iPhone. If you don't have it installed already, install and sign up or sign in if you have been using it on your computer, okay? So here I have it, so I will tap on it for it to open. As the OneDrive app opens, you will have an interface that looks like this. Here I have a lot of folders I created. So if you want to upload the picture on any of the folders, you tap on it for it to open, then you start this process I'm going to discuss here. All right, but in this case, I want to upload it here. You can see I'm on my files tab. You can see that at the top there. Please ensure you are on that my files. If you find yourself on home, tap on this so that you'll be on my files. Okay, then after that, tap the plus sign at the bottom right. On tapping on that plus sign, you'll be provided with some options. You have folder, you have scan, you have upload. If you want to scan maybe a document here, you select the scan, but that's not what you're interested in. So we are interested in upload. So select upload. Now you are provided with some options here. You have photos and videos, you have browse, you have cancel. In this case, the picture you want to upload is in the photos app, okay, of our iPhone. So I'll select the photos and videos option. On selecting videos, photos and videos, you will see some pictures, okay, as well as some videos. But our interest there is on picture. So I will tap on any picture I want to upload. So I'll tap on this. Alright, so you can see this picture is selected. If you want to select upload more than one, you tap on the next picture, okay, and they will be selected. Then after that, you tap on the add button, which is the button at the top right. And you can see this is saying uploading. So you hold on a little for it to be uploaded. And it's uploaded. So this picture is here. Okay, so you may need to scroll until you get to it. I look at the picture here, reading August 16, which is the one I just uploaded. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot of areas in the technology sector. Okay, so subscribe to learn more, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment section. If you have any further questions to ask about this or something relating to OneDrive, do ask me here. This video here will still walk you through on how to do more things on OneDrive. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.